And you have got
10-year-old Jalissa's face beams as she sees a flyer for Great Wolf Lodge near Grand Mound, Washington. It's where she'll soon visit as part of her special wish come true. The indoor water park is a perfect place for the young girl who says she can't spend time out in the sun because of a medical condition.
It has fun rides and it's really cool. It's probably where any kid can go in there and have fun. That's the indoor water park.
Children's Wishes and Dreams granted Jalissa's wish after hearing her story.
I cannot hide from you, and then this is Connie.
The trip includes a 2-night stay at the park, but Jalissa will also need her walking shoes, as a shopping spree at Bellevue Square is also something she wished for.
It's just been overwhelming with all of the things that she's offered, and people have given up in Bellevue.
Jalissa plans to keep her shopping list short.
Probably like the things I need. Shoes, pants.
Children's Wishes and Dreams is using money from fundraisers and your donations to pay for the trip. Its goal is to help local children with life-threatening illnesses or life-changing injuries. And while the volunteers are thinking of Jalissa's happiness, she is thinking of the happiness of her brothers and wants them to come along.
They're all very close. All 4 of them are within 5 years. So, they watch out for each other.
Well, I want them to have fun.
We certainly hope they do have fun, and thank you for helping Jalissa's wish come true.